Africa is the second largest continent in the world, with a population of more than 1.2 billion people. It is also one of the most resource-rich continents, with vast reserves of oil, gas, minerals, and agricultural land. However, despite its vast resources, Africa has often been characterized by conflict and underdevelopment. One country that stands out as an exception to this trend is Nigeria, the richest country in Africa. Nigeria is a country located in West Africa, with a population of over 200 million people. It is known for its vast oil reserves, which have made it the largest oil-producing country in Africa and the sixth largest in the world. Nigeria is also home to other natural resources such as coal, tin, limestone, and natural gas. Nigeria's history dates back to the 15th century, when Portuguese explorers arrived on its shores. The country was later colonized by the British in the 19th century and gained independence in 1960. Since then, Nigeria has experienced significant political instability, including a civil war in the 1960s and multiple military coups. Despite these challenges, Nigeria has managed to maintain its position as the largest economy in Africa. With a gross domestic product, GDP, of over $500 billion. One of the main reasons for Nigeria's economic success is its oil industry. The country has been producing oil since the 1950s, and it currently accounts for over 90% of Nigeria's export revenue. However, the oil industry has also been a source of conflict, corruption, and environmental degradation. This has led to calls for diversification of the Nigerian economy and a focus on other sectors such as agriculture, manufacturing, and services. In recent years, Nigeria has made significant progress in developing its non-oil sectors. The agricultural sector, in particular, has seen significant growth, with Nigeria becoming the largest producer of cassava in the world and a major producer of other crops such as yams, sorghum, and maize. The country has also made significant investments in its manufacturing sector, with the aim of reducing its dependence on imported goods. Despite its economic success, Nigeria still faces significant challenges. Poverty remains widespread, with over 40% of the population living below the poverty line. In addition, Nigeria has struggled with political instability and conflict, particularly in the northern parts of the country where the Boko Haram insurgency has caused significant harm. Nigeria is the richest country in Africa, with a history that dates back to the 15th century. The country's economic success is largely driven by its oil industry, but it has also made significant progress in developing its non-oil sectors. Despite its challenges, Nigeria remains an important player on the African continent and is poised for further growth and development in the years to come.